Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Dwayne say, "Una love put on a sad energy pan people, and Mina in that. He's now using energy to match energy, which is right, So that's how he's going about his business now. He was talking about his teeth, how people criticize his one discolored teeth and a bag of things. So check in and check out on this video and like, share, subscribe, and comment. Irene.
Me just don't like bad energy, cause I'm the kind of person, right? Me love aura. You know aura? If you smell the aura don't mesh, it not gonna work. And that's some me stay. That me start use nowadays for weave out some of them crosses people paying ya. Cause enough of them are crosses. Peer crosses. Why say my snore? I say you knock him out last night. Hey, Cardi Step. I saw you knock him out last night to the point. All them time man in my snow backside. Lord Jesus. I saw you powerful. Like that angry face got chuck off. What's that got chuck off? What did I get? No noise. Cause no found no angry face right now. On a broke like a church mouse. And not even 2 pence. Never mind £5. What yeah? You look well rest, girl. I feel well rested. I sleep good every night. Listen, girl, I'm telling you, see me? One thing with me. People, wanna give me some love, give me some love. Listen to me. When someone come off of social media, I swear to God, I don't make nothing bother me. I swear to God, at summertime, me I drink some ginger tea and I watch the way and pan the people them. No girl. Oh, you are watching me pan the people that Wi-Fi. I understand. I understand now. Right, listen. You have to get it or you can't get it. No, it's no other way about it. Get it or you can get it. You see it. You have money. Girl, I always have money. Listen, one thing we do though. Listen, me don't rich now. Well, on. Me don't rich now. Me don't rich. Me just comfortable. You know them one day when one is just comfortable and them can't hungry as some me still. Me can't hungry. Me very sorry. Me live a Great Britain. All the back me feel like England are hungry. That makes sense? No, sir. Listen, that nothing apple. You're mad. You drink mad post piss. Listen, cause me know if you drink the mad post piss, me good darling, me good. Me say me gonna joke to backside. Me mother call me this morning. Mother says, son, me watch your video yesterday. And she said, you know which part me pop up? My mother say, when we got talk about the people, I was a chastise but my one discolored teeth. Ain't saying bust out laugh. Me say, Lord Jesus Christ. So I say, Mom, I'm making the part they have to laugh after. But then again, me rewatch live myself, me rewatch live. And honest to God, that live they did funny. It did funny bad. And I don't business. Not for not have no sense of humor. So no try push up on a sad energy from people and me can't sad girl. Ask Sharon look it's about me. Sharon, tell the people that me slap on phone. I be a kin teeth. With kin teeth gone with kin teeth come right there, so. What pat, good girl, you alright girl. Hope you're good, hope you're well, hope you're amazing. God bless you. You never get no credit, girl. Credit gone. Until the next time, hopefully, you come through when me telling you if you do, what you want to do, and you do it, hopefully you will get one credit. You know what I want there? Right there, so, But yeah, some of the people on a too sad, on a sad like Monday morning. Me say, when I wake up at that time, when I say, Father God, big up yourself, me make the morning list, and not for uno. Uno just sad. I want people to be sad. You know, me can't sad. Me love me energy. Me love me good energy. And nothing when me go through. People me say nothing when me go through in a life. Me don't make it bother me. Cause if it make it bother me, it a go mad me. I mean I want mad. Me can't mad. Me can't on the backside, I'm sorry. Hey, and then again, the people that might some my mad already, but here alright, on the wall, and me wall. Me turn over yesterday, my madly because if me mad, me happy. You know somebody happy? Me happy because God have me back. And once God have my back, me good, me great, I'm amazing. I don't know about you. Me can't talk about only me have to talk about me. I have to talk about myself. But yeah, people, I wanna do it, on a good. Wanna make a breakfast and drink like a tea. I say this man wake up. Tell her like last night, I put my phone and chat to my friend them. I'm gonna tell my friend them say, oh, me just make one peppermint tea. Oh no, my friend tell me say, gas and mash me. I say, look girl, don't bright yourself. No, I don't know gas. I feel one tea. Me feel one tea. I'm a love peppermint tea. That's true. I have to always give God. Right, that's a girl. Right there, son. God in everything. Once you have God in everything, where do you can't go wrong. Amen. Well, once you have God in everything, one of them can't go wrong. No matter where the people them say, oh, who want to try to tear you down. Once you have God, we don't know. On a good like a goal. Real thing too. I'm not care who want bex or who want peace. I say, I'm not take you back. Right there, so. Sure, me not laugh. Sure, I say the people that tell me say last night say me have gas. That's what I'm gonna make. That's what I'm gonna make peppermint tea with them bright self. I say what a piece of calamity for me in the night, yeah. I say no girl, I saw we English town, we love tea. We love cup of teas, and we love crumpets, and we love scones and sounds, and we love croissants. You know croissants? We love them things there. Me love them things, I mean, know what one, me love it. And me will drink tea any time of the day. Anytime, all if I 2 o'clock in the morning, I want tea, I'm gonna drink one tea, because sometimes I love tea. You know when the English mentality rub off on you, I saw me stay. Because I grow here, a little English thing rub off on me. But yeah, the people are going to say, oh, I'm going to Ross today at discount. I want name Ross. I don't know what my name Ross. I want name so. I don't know. Listen girl, I live in North London. When I have not to go your name, Ross. Yes, we England people love with tea and we love with scones and we love with crumpets and we love with croissants. You don't know croissants? Right there, so. But I cut my tail and I chat tune at the backside. But yeah, that's still cool. I talk about the teapot when my friend go say, oh, gas I be eat me. I said, no girl, I just love tea. But yeah, when me sit up on my phone and I chat to my friend them, Sharon Inkluka. Sharon, I want my good friend them now. I not tell her. I would have still on kin teeth. With kin teeth come. Hey, listen, it's in life, it's in life. Our people tear them, it's good for no laugh than ball. You know? Don't get me wrong, sometimes I did ball, but here what? Me, nah, come up here, come put, listen, Father God. If I come up here and put on another eye water, me too happy for them something there. Me too good. Me good like a goal. Me don't know what you know. I love my life. I love my you know what I'm saying? Love on a life and love on self. Right? Love on self first and foremost. Once on love on self, nobody can chastise you and tell us, hey, me go in one story. My granny said, listen, it's still when people say you're a Batman. My granny said, do I'm gonna stay here them something there. I said, grandma, enough time. She said, well, enough you bother you. I said, yes. Me, you could have come Batman till God come. You could have tell me anything you don't want to tell me. I don't care. Hey, me used to busy, but yeah, what? Me find myself now, I'm happy with who me is. Praise the Lord, to God be the glory. Only go find myself kind of on a sad like I'm on the morning. When I forgot work, I'm not sad to like God. I'll make your weekend done. Me now, what make your weekend done? That's on a sad like a Monday, man. Me good up, me great over here, sir, girls. Girlies and boys, me good over here, sir. Sharon live. Yes, Sharon live in England. Yes. I like she live in England. She live in England. Hey, big up England for Sharon. Big up England for Sharon right there, so. Anyways, people, anyways. So what if you was girl, look pa me good. Me cute. First and foremost, I'm damn good looking. Plus, me happy with my life. Me happy with anybody me there in my lifetime. I am not ashamed of who I am. My family love me. Enough people. Hey, you know me realize. Hey, I don't like how I talk things this morning. Or me realize, there's some people here, them lacking. I'm gonna say, you see some people here, it burn them when me say my family love me because them listen. It's me love my family and my family them love me. You hear me? Understand?